The Toro GrandStand is the ultimate in productivity, with great traction and handling and outstanding stability on slopes. Designed with a small footprint and exceptional visibility, you can carefully maneuver tight spots. And now you can move 25% faster with speeds up to 10 miles per hour, which means you can cover serious ground. The GrandStand's superior self-adjusting suspension and large open operator platform will make you forget you're on your feet. And the platform flips up so you can jump down and walk behind when you need to. This helps save valuable space on the trailer too. With a 10.5-gallon fuel tank, you can go farther, longer. That's more time working, less time filling. And because we know every minute in the garage means less uptime on the job, we've taken a hard look at making maintenance faster too. With a new simplified design, it's easy to access the engine, transmission, and controls from both sides of the machine. And we've practically eliminated the need for regular greasing. As always, Toro's patented Turbo Force deck is at the heart of the GrandStand. Built with 7-gauge high-strength steel, it's tough enough to handle whatever punishment you dish out while delivering Toro's consistent, signature quality of cut. The Toro GrandStand, only from